Combat Systems Engineering Crash Course, Part 2. Combat Systems Engineering Crash Course, Part 2, is an advanced systems engineering training focusing on practical combat systems and operations. Combat System Engineering Part 2 covers lessons learned designed for all practitioners. Target audience. The intended audience for this course is newly hired engineers, technicians, logisticians, and intermediate-level SMEs and supervisors. Prerequisites. Combat Systems Engineering Part 1, a working knowledge and experience in the combat systems engineering is recommended to enable participants to analyze combat operations, capabilities, problems and evaluation of new combat systems acquisitions and solutions. Methods of learning. The methods of learning should consist of visual presentations, with textbooks provided, in addition to involvement of all students in practical and group exercises designed to apply principles learned to real-life issues encountered in the typical combat systems engineering arena. Learning objective. The objective of Combat Systems Engineering Part 2 is to leverage skills learned in Combat System Engineering Part 1 and couple those skills with the experiences and lessons learned from experts in the field to the application of proven technical approaches to various practical scenarios. These approaches, along with associated advantages, disadvantages, and implementation details are discussed with engineers, logisticians and managers, highlighting major takeaways for each scenario. Topics for discussion include: Wrap and preview of Combat Systems Engineering Part 1. Advanced Combat System Engineering Lessons Learned. Key topics in combat systems design, development, integration and test. All phases of analysis, design and development, from concepts, operational and functional analysis through design, software development, hardware development, system integration, verification and validation of major combat systems. Course agenda and topics. Practical Combat Systems Engineering and Development. Combat Systems Practical Activities. Advanced Topics in Combat Systems Engineering. Case Study, Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense. Workshop and Group Activity, Mission Level Systems Engineering. Learn more about Combat Systems Engineering Crash Course, Part 2. www.tonex.com web link.